Southern California's oldest and largest bookstore has been the pride of Pasadena since it came on the scene in 1894. And that was before the wine bar was installed or the Art on the Stairwell program kicked off. Among Vroman's shelves are several floors of books in every possible category, a home goods section, one of the best newsstands in the region, and a well-decorated area to park the kids. Besides being a fantastic bookstore, technically now 4 bookstores with a second brick and mortar in Pasadena and 2 branded boutiques at LAX, it has carried on its namesake founder's legacy of philanthropy and community engagement. Vroman's Gives Back has donated a portion of sales to local nonprofits, schools, and charities to the tune of $765,513. Plus, it hosts more than 400 free events annually, including trivia nights, bake-offs, and launch parties, and consistently welcomes top-tier talent such as Salman Rushdie, Sonia Sotomayor, Anne Rice, and David Sedaris.